All right, so got a lot to do this week, so I just came in and jumped right in on this drywall this morning. As I said in my closing on my last video, I had those couple of pieces there to get up on the ceiling. So the ceiling's done all throughout, and then I went ahead and did the upper portion of this wall here in the bedroom. So I'm gonna keep working on this and try to get all this drywall hung this week. So I'm gonna try not to talk too much and just get some stuff done. All right, since I'm done with all the ceilings, I can get this out of the way. Okay, so I got my return air trunk done there. So now I'm going to start framing in this this upstairs wall to block all that in. So drywall's hung all in the kitchen. Now I have to move back here, but I think I'm going to do the stairs. The stairs, I'm not looking forward to. As you can tell, we got cuts. All these stairs plus these treads hang out, so it's going to be weird. So normally you start from the top and work your way down. You want your drywall tight against the ceiling. But I think because this is going to be so weird, I've marked me a level line here. And I'm actually going to do this piece first. I've got both sides. And that way there, as I go up, I'll have a place to kind of set that and then slide it in, because it's going to have to be cut in such a way that each one of these is going to have a notch that slips around these treads. So it's going to be a little bit tricky. Okay, so I have here, if it'll focus, this sheet of drywall, and it looks like stairs. So what I've done, if I come back over here and come off of this stud right here, that's this edge. And then I just have to transfer measurements from that stud to here, and that stud to here, all the way across. And then from the line that I marked, which represents the top of this piece of drywall, I measure down to each stair tread. And then I mark these X's so that I remember that this is the piece I got to get rid of, because, you know, it seems like common sense, but you could very easily make that mistake. So this top piece is what I need to keep. So I got all these marked here, and I just have to get my little buzz saw and cut all these out, and hopefully it fits right. We'll see. See the line, so it's kind of hard right there. Let me run this into your finger. Yeehaw.
Is that your nice way so you can get out of my way? Huh.
Okay, well, here's the update for the week. And y'all are going to be disappointed in me because we did not get all the drywall done. The stairwell is not completely finished. The bathroom is mostly done with the exception of this wall here by the shower because I haven't got the plumbing done in there yet. And then this might get dark, but here in the laundry room, I forgot that I still have to run wire for the dryer. Wire for the dryer. And I forgot to bring it with me. So that'll have to go up through that wall and get that done. So, and then the only other thing left is in here in the bedroom, the closet, and then this wall here where all the wiring goes into the back of the panel there. So that's what we got done, and I've had Philip here for a couple of days helping with some stuff, so that was a big help. We were able to get that done. So y'all are gonna stop trusting me when I say what I'm doing next week, because it seems like I never get done what I say I'm gonna get done. I guess that's just part of the process. But next week, we will be putting some mud on these walls. By the end of the week, for sure, we will be putting mud on these walls. So, don't hold me to that, but hold me to that. So, anyway, that's it. And as always, appreciate you watching. See you next time.